Hello everyone. I know it's been a really long time since I've done a YouTube video for you, but I wanted to do another one for you for some of our new students and some of our returning students to our ESL class. What I do is for our long reading passages, I read it for you to help you out with the pronunciation and also with the flow of the script, so you'll know what words to emphasize and what are the content words and how to go about reading a sentence in a line, not just pronouncing each word. But I do have a few words first that we're going to look at before we read, but let me tell you what we're going to read first. This is our Ventures Transitions book, the student book with the white cover. And we're going to be looking at page 56, and it's entitled Small Talk, Big Problems. We're going to be doing a unit on small talk for our next class. For some of you, it will be a review, and for others of you, it will be new. Okay? First of all, before I do the reading, I have an attachment in this email that I'm sending you for the small talk lesson, and it's vocabulary words. We're going to go over the vocabulary words first before we go over the book. And I do have my rubber band ready to help with emphasizing the right syllable for each word. So if you will go ahead and if you might want to pause this video or go ahead if you can and print this sheet. This will help you immensely, okay? Our first word, number 1, is behavior. That's behavior. Behavior, okay? Behavior. And as you can see, I'm stretching the rubber band on the accented syllable. Behavior. Okay? And that is the way in which one acts or conducts oneself, especially toward others. Okay? Number 2, I know you have a word that's similar, but the accent might be different. And the word is intention. Okay? So that's accented this way. Intention. 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 Okay? So the stress is on the second syllable. Intention. All right? And the third word, it's not a very difficult word, but it's a word everyone should know. It's polite. 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 And that means having or showing behavior that is respectful and considerate of others. Word number 4 is recognize. 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 Okay? And that means to identify someone or something from having encountered them before or to know something again. Okay? Number 5, you may have a word that's similar. It's scenario. 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 Okay? And that means a written outline of a movie, novel, or stage work giving details of the plot and individual scenes, or it can be a sequence or development of events. Okay? Number 6, that word is specific. Specific. Again, you might have a similar word, but the accent in Spanish might be different. Specific. Specific. Okay? That means clearly defined or identified, precise and clear in making statements or issuing instructions. Okay? Word number 7, unaware. 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 Okay? And that one, the accent is on the last syllable. Unaware. Okay? That means having no knowledge of a situation or fact. And number 8 is wonder. 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 And that is a feeling of surprise mingled with admiration, caused by something beautiful, unexpected, unfamiliar, or inexplicable. Okay? And you'll see at the bottom of the page I have some bonus words, and those are not included in the reading, but there's something that we're going to use in our next lesson. Okay? And the first bonus word is mingle. Mingle. That's a popular expression, to mix and mingle at a party. Okay. Number 3 is just chat. One syllable, chat. That just means just a talk, a very informal talk. And again, you might have another word that's similar to the last one, but the accent might be different. Socialize. 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 That's to talk and do things with people in a friendly way. Okay? So I'm going to do a separate video for Marco's story. These words, words 1 through 8, we'll encounter in this reading, but I'm going to do this on part 2 video. Okay?